NoveList is a great reader's advisory resource. This online database can help you search for fiction books in a particular genre or find read-alikes. The home screen of NoveList will display popular titles relating to current trends and give you the opportunity to browse genres, featured read-alikes, award-winning titles, and other reader's advisory tools. The basic search allows you to search anything. We could type in a topic of interest, such as true crime, and we'll get results that match our search terms. If you have a favorite author, we could select author from the drop-down and type in Dan Brown, and here we can read more about his writing style, view the books he's written, check if any are part of a series, and we can also see to the right some suggested author read-alikes. If you've recently enjoyed a book, NoveList will suggest read-alikes to that book. For example, I just finished reading The Woman in Cabin 10, so we can search title and when we find our result, we can see that this book is an award winner, read its description, see its genre, storyline, tone, and writing style. These are important to note as it will help me understand why I enjoyed the book and help me search for read-alikes on my own with those same features. As we scroll down farther, we can see reviews, read more about the book, and browse lists and articles where this author or title is discussed. On the right-hand side of the screen, NoveList will have recommended read-alikes. If we hover over a book, we can read a brief description and look at the reason why NoveList has recommended this to us. From here, we can add it to our folder or choose to read more about the book. If we want to look for books with more specific parameters, we can choose Advanced Search. We could type in Ital followed by an asterisk to include both Italian and Italy in our search results. We could choose the genre, mystery, or to include the theme of boats. The Boolean AND will search both parts or searches either part, and NOT will remove a term from our search results. We can refine our search results on the left-hand side of the screen. As we browse, we can add or remove titles from our folder. When we are done, we can view its contents by clicking the icon in the top right. From here, we can print, email, or save our list.